In this video, the Bitcoin price ascending triangle broke down and met this target exactly. But the question is, how will we know if the crypto market is going to flip bullish? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video first. So let's give you a quick recap on what happened on the previous Bitcoin price action. So previously, we were following this ascending triangle, and yeah, this is actually traditionally a bullish pattern, but in times of a bearish move, especially if we came off from this somewhat of a downtrend, this ascending triangle can flip bearish. So yeah, right now we saw that played out exactly. Ako personally, I did not traded this because if you're going to look at this, we did not have any volume. So it's very risky to enter trades like this where we don't have any volume when this is going down. So yeah, I personally did not traded this since yeah, the volume is very inconsistent and there's no actually a big breakout happening in this movement. So yeah, I did not specifically traded this. But congratulations if you have traded this. So now the next question is, how will we know if the market is going to flip bullish, especially the Bitcoin price? Well, to answer that, we need to look at this in the RSI kasi the RSI can actually tell us if are we going to flip bullish anytime soon. So sa mga iba na nakaalam, alam natin guys na whenever the price is declining and then the RSI is increasing, then this would mean that we are going to see a trend reversal to the upside anytime soon. So yeah, that's a basic concept dito sa RSI, and this is called the bullish divergence. So right now, what we need to do and expect is we have to look for multiple bullish divergences across all time frames. So right now, we are seeing this bullish divergence in the short term, but take note guys, this bullish divergence can still continue or pwede pa din siya actually mag-decline. What do I mean by that? It means na the price can still decline and can still go lower, but still the RSI can still have higher highs. In that case, if you're going to look at this in the RSI, and let's say the Bitcoin price still declined and yeah, RSI nagde-decline pa din sa RSI, you can still actually notice that even though na we are declining, the RSI is still increasing. So in that case, at some point or anytime soon in the future, we are going to see a bullish trend reversal for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, right now, that's what you have to look out for different time frames. So right now, dito sa early time frame, ito pala yung bullish divergence natin. And let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Kasi in the 4-hour time frame, you are now actually starting to see this bullish divergence. So yeah, we are starting to see some bullish trend reversal signals right now. But yeah, as mentioned, this can still continue the bullish divergence and still go down and still have higher highs dito sa ating RSI. So yeah, right now, we still have to watch that one out for the Bitcoin price. But yeah, if ever na, let's say, nagkaroon na tayo ng trend reversal, then I think, dun aakit na yung ating crypto market. So yeah, we have to look that one out for very closely. Let's look at the daily time frame. Kasi in the daily time frame, we still don't have any bullish divergence. So indicating na we still don't have any big, massive, or very big trend reversal na. Right now, hanggang 4-hour time frame pala yung nakikita natin bullish divergence. So we need to wait that one out very closely. And as you can see guys, to give you more confidence regarding the RSI, let's look at this Bitcoin data para meron kayong confidence regarding sa RSI. You can actually see na on the previous Bitcoin crash, the price is declining, but the RSI is increasing, indicating that at some point, we are going to see a trend reversal to the upside. And as you can see, this downtrend resulted to a massive pump. So in that case, even though na we have a declining trend, as long as the RSI is increasing, we are going to see a massive pump to the upside. Now, ang nangyari ngayon dito is yung opposite. Nagkaroon tayo ng increasing price, but the RSI is decreasing. And that is called the bearish divergence. So as you can see, in that case, what happened is the Bitcoin price declined or it dipped, indicating na yun nga, it's a trend reversal to the downside. So right now, what we need to watch out for ngayon dito sa ating daily time frame talaga is yung magkaroon tayo ng bullish divergence. So in the coming days, Bitcoin price can still decline lower, but as long as we are starting to see an increasing RSI, then I think at some point we are going to see a bullish trend reversal for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, that's for the Bitcoin price, and right now short-term trades are very risky. I highly suggest na stick to spot wallet or yung mga long-term trades nyo, or especially yung mga hodl position nyo. This is actually the best time to re-enter some long-term hodl position. So if I were you, I would stick to spot wallet as of this moment. And yeah, if you want to leverage trade this or do some futures trading dito, you can actually do that. But remember, this is very risky. And yeah, kahit ako personally nagkaroon ako ng loss dito kasi hindi natin in-expect na at this point na magkakaroon yung crash. Kasi aminin natin, we were actually caught off guard dito sa area na to kasi simula nung nandyan tayo sa area na nakala natin tuloy-tuloy na siya to the upside dahil yun nga na-break na natin yung Fibonacci resistance and nagkaroon tayo ng somewhat of a breakout dito sa ating RSI resistance. So sa mga ibang nakakaalam, my current PNL for the short term is actually at a loss. It's a negative 22%. But yeah, remember guys, this is just for the short term and temporary lang siya. Kasi Bitcoin will always still be bullish for the long term. As you can see dito, meron tayong 10 years data na nagsasabi na following this logarithmic growth curve, the Bitcoin price will always still go up, though magkakaroon ng times na magkakaroon tayo ng red days or red months. And yeah, despite of my negative PNL for the short term, my long-term PNL is still bullish. As you can see, for the past 30 days, I am still 28% up. And as you can see, my asset is still increasing dito sa aking Binance account. And yeah, meron pa din ako ibang account. Just to give you an idea, there will be red days talaga. But always remember that the Bitcoin price will always be long-term bullish. And to give you more data, if you're going to see our average profit and loss chart for the past 10 years na matagal na natin fina-follow, the month of September will always yield us to a September red month. Meaning na it's very normal na magkaroon tayo ng negative PNL for the month of September. So if I were you, if let's say kinakabahan ka ngayon na marami kayong loss, if I were you, mag-stick ka muna sa spot wallet and then yeah, abangan mo muna tumaas yung price. Or if experienced trader ka, you could actually try to check kung kailan na tayo magkakaroon ng trend reversal tayo dito and follow the indicators very closely. So if experienced trader ka, you could actually check that one out closely para at least ma-maximize mo iyong leverage trading dito. But yeah, to sum it up, Bitcoin will be long-term bullish. Sadyang meron tayo talagang red days ngayon. And ayun, may mga iba kasi sa inyo na nagtatanong kung ano ba yung thoughts ko regarding this September red month and may pwede ba daw ako magbigay ng messages regarding para hindi daw sila mawala ng gana dito sa ating Bitcoin market. So ayun guys, I hope that message gives you some quite of help kahit papano na kahit ako nagkakaroon pa din ng loss for the short term. But always remember guys na always think long term kasi Bitcoin is very bullish for the long term, especially the whole crypto market. So yeah, always look at the bigger time frame instead of the smaller time frames kasi of course, yung mga smaller time frames, aatakihin ka talaga sa puso niyan kasi if you're going to look at that, napaka-volatile ang crypto market. And as long as you have a hodl position or meron kayong spot position, then I think yung inyong asset and yung inyong profits ay tataas pa din for the long term. So yeah, always remember to have your hodl position. So and guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if nakatulong tayo sa inyo, please share this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video guys. And bye-bye for now.